Guys, here I have this LG washer, and we're going to be replacing this drain pump today. And basically the washer is running fine, but every time it does the rinse or the drain cycle after the rinse, it's getting water stuck in here. So you see there's a puddle of water in there. So one thing you want to do before replacing that whole entire drain and taking apart the washer is open up the front of the washer here and try to clear out that filter. So on a lot of front loading washers, there'll be a filter right there, and so you just want to unscrew it and then try to clean that first. But you know, sometimes that gets clogged up, and it burns out the motor because it's just so clogged up. And so today we're going to have to replace the motor, which is right here, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, so I found out that actually taking off the top on my model didn't really help much, but it did help me just get a look at what was inside. What helped me the most is basically I unscrewed a bunch of screws that were along the bottom of the washer here, and then once I unscrewed that, I could pull this piece apart, and then the drain is actually located right here. That's the motor, and you know, you gotta I just unclip the connectors right there. Okay, so I've fully taken apart the bottom of the case of the washer now. So basically there's these hose clamps. Just unsqueeze them and then pull the hoses off, remove those, and the bottom was just zip tied. I cut those zip ties apart. Those were zip tied to like places like that to the board, and then again I did remove the power connector, which was right there, and then now we could take apart our pump. So it looks like there is about 3 screws. So now I've just removed 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and that's basically securing this whole assembly to the base of the washing machine, and then we could take apart. After we take that apart, I'm actually standing in front of my sink now. We removed the 2 screws from here. After that's removed, we'll just, actually we got one more here. Alright, so now that pump just is secured right onto the side with a couple screws right there. And then you can see how the filter actually, again from the front of the machine when I was talking about earlier where you need to clean the filter, that actually is right next to the pump, so that's what clogs it, pumps water up, and yeah, so if you don't clean that regularly, this could possibly happen to you guys. Okay guys, so here is the old pump. Let's see, I guess this one's from 2012, this one's from 2015, maybe that's June 2015, and this is September. So then we're just going to reuse this plastic casing, slip that on there, and then reassemble the washer and see if it works. What's up guys? So it's about a month later and the washer is operational again. It's good as new. I actually forgot to film the reassembly and outro, so here I am. The whole process took about an hour to replace. But pretty simple. All you gotta do is access it, unclip it, and then screw it back in, clip everything back in, and then it works again. So if you found the video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next one.